Welcome everyone to Module 2. In this module, we'll be reading and discussing Plato's Apology. Plato was a follower of Socrates, and in the Apology he recounts his mentor's trial before the Athenians. The text is called the Apology because that's the literal translation of the Greek word apologia, which means defense. As you'll see though, Socrates is anything but apologetic. Socrates was an Athenian born in 469 BCE and put to death in 399. His trial and death have served as a sort of founding myth for Western philosophy. Beyond the fact that the Athenians put him to death, we know relatively little about the historical Socrates. He wrote nothing, and the main evidence we have is from three main primary sources: Plato, Xenophon, and Aristophanes. That is to say, the Socrates we know is the character Socrates found in the dialogues and plays written by these three authors. For centuries, scholars have puzzled as to whether these ancient authors faithfully depicted Socrates. When reading the Apology, though, I don't want you to dwell too much on whether or not Plato presents Socrates as he really was. I want you instead to focus your reading on the following two questions. First, just what kind of life is Socrates advocating? And second, what view of human nature does this kind of life presuppose? Answering these questions will be challenging enough, I think. Before sending you off to read the text and then listen to the podcast, I should note two other things. First, just before the actual text begins, there's a nice summary of the Apology provided by the editor. I encourage you to read that first. It should be helpful. Second, note that the way Platonic dialogues are cited is by the pagination in the margins, for example 29c or 32e. Please use this citation when quoting any of the text on the discussion board or in your précis. Thanks, and good luck!